Good morning, everybody, and this is your Dow Jones day trade setups for today. So, Friday let's just look at the bigger picture here. So we had this massive breakout on Thursday and then immediately reversed and we broke it to the downside. So, that's not a very clear picture one way or another. So is it a rejection, a sort of a fake out to the upside, or is it now, sort of a break to the downside? Difficult to ascertain at the moment. We've also had this massive gap up based on news coming out on Saturday morning, where the House has signed off the stimulus package. So that's what that move is at the moment. Personally, I think we're going to have to just be a little bit more patient so we can see what's going to transpire here. It's chaotic to say the least. So range, break to the upside, rejection, didn't even test the top of the range, just barreled right the way through, broke through the bottom of the range as well, and that was on Friday, then went sideways. So at the moment, look at my oscillators here. Oscillators are indicating that we should be looking for a level, and there are a couple of levels here. As you can see, if I look to the left, there's one a little bit lower there. So there's quite a bit here, and you can see we've pretty much tagged almost both of them, and we've reversed off there. So obviously I'd like to see another pullback and then build some structure, so a double bottom or some kind of structure at least on the hour, and we don't have that at the moment. We've just got this little green bar and then a big gap up and sideways, and the sideways at the moment is defending this level here, which is 31,171. So for me to be long on this, I'm going to need structure breaks to the upside and retest before looking at that. Otherwise, I'm going to be looking for some elements of support down here, because then I've got a better risk to reward, so I can sort of have a pretty close stop. And at the moment, that is going to be off the 15 minutes at least, possibly even lower. So you can see on the 15 minute, look at all the moving averages all pointing down, prices hovering below them. So technically this is trending down right now. You don't want to be shorting here at the moment, though. We have gained one of the moving averages, and it is also Asian session. So let's wait and see what happens in the European session. But if we start gaining these levels to the upside, then it's long. So it's 31,251 and 31,171. So get above it, come back, test it, start making higher highs. That is going to be the signal for a move to the upside. Okay, at the moment it is pretty much gapped up and gone sideways. So, and often when that happens, the next leg is another leg up. So that's the first thing we're looking for. Second thing we're looking for is a crossover of these moving averages into a golden cross. In other words, I'm looking for the 66 to be above, 66 to be below the 33. So 33 is blue, 66 is red. So I'm looking for them to cross over so that they are like that. At least come together first, then cross over. At the moment, we are so far apart that it's favouring to the short side. But with the noise in the market, I'm not entirely convinced of that. So that's kind of my view at the moment, is just wait and see what transpires this morning, and I think we're going to get some opportunities to jump into this for a move to the upside. There's nothing else that we can see here right now. So that's that. I don't think there's anything else we need to worry about right now. But I think watch your 15 minutes. You can even go down to the 5 minutes if you really want to, but I'd only be doing that during the session that I open. So you can see how we are just hovering in the moving averages at the moment. So once Europe opens, see if we can get the moving averages pointing up, and that's going to give you opportunity to get in long with a really tight stop. Otherwise, if you start breaking below these swing lows here, then you're looking for gap close at least. So you're looking for a short stop above there, and you're looking for a short down to 39.47. Okay, that's that for me. Hope it helps you somewhat, but I think advice is still be a little bit patient. Just wait this out at the moment. On the hour it does look like it's a trend reversal, and we're coming up to double check it is a trend reversal. So that's one thing you must keep in your mind at the moment. So, short scalps are there. Just make sure you've got good entries with really tight stops. So if it does decide to swing past you and carry on up, then you're not going to lose too much money. Me, I'm sitting on hands until I get confirmation, probably during the European session. Okay, anyway, that's it for me. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you later. Cheers for now.